This show is different for me because this is my first show in GMA na heavy drama. And I would say, nasa wheelhouse ko talaga pag heavy drama. So it talks about marital problems, it will talk about life choices, outgrowing each other, and your commitment towards each other as a couple. And even it also tackles yung mga problems in the family, your sacrifices as a breadwinner. When it comes to Atom's story naman, yung mga hinanakit niya sa kanyang tatay. And even yung kay Zarina, yung pinanggagalingan, because her character is really gray, hindi siya, it's not just a black character. So I think yung pinaka-challenging, but at the same time, essence of this love story or this show is that it's really character-driven and it's very, very relatable. There's a character that you can relate to.
Nakikita mo ba yung sarili mo sa serye o sa mga kailangan sa character?
Alam niyo po, ako, pag gumagawa ako ng role, hindi po ako naniniwala na magagawa mo ng tama isang character if you're not coming from a place of truth. So definitely, I am sharing my truth by portraying Stella. It has to be organic that way. And yes, nakaka-relate po ako, especially kapag gumagawa ako ng mga scenes with my family because I am also a breadwinner. And there was a time in my life din talaga na hindi ko pinaprioritize yung love. Talagang priority ko is really my family and my career. So, yes, I was able to relate in that aspect. And also, love is love. I mean, you know that feeling. You can relate to that feeling of being in love and being betrayed. And at some point in our lives, napagdaanan nating lahat yan. So it's, yeah, I was able to relate. Yeah, I think po yun yung nasagot kong question kanina, na it's, the people can resonate to it, it's highly relatable to everyone, there's a special character for what you're going through. And siguro i-add ko lang dun sa sinabi kanina ni Rojo when he was talking about what is Love Before Sunrise to him. Tama yung sinabi niya sometimes kasi pag pinapanood natin yung character, nakikita lang natin how they react dun sa actual situation na nangyayari. But actually, kami, yung trabaho namin bilang actors is to create a character background, yung mga bagay na hindi nyo na nakikita at hindi na namin kailangan ipalawanag. We show it through our actions or facial expressions. And napansin ko lang, most of the characters here, yung pinanggagalingan is grief. Like, yung characters namin magkakapatid, we deal with grief dahil namatay yung tatay namin in different ways. Kaya naging problematic yung character ni Rico, kung nagbibigay siya ng problema sa pamilya. Ako naman, naging sobrang goal-oriented because I needed to step up for the family. Yung kay Zarina naman, grief in a sense that, you know, parang she's grieving her relationship with her mom because she's never had a good relationship with her mom. So I guess, hindi ko masasabi kakaiba because I know that other actors from other shows also do it. It's just that, for me, siguro magagaling lang ako sa personal aspect. Ako, this show is different for me because this is my first show in GMA na heavy drama. And I would say, nasa wheelhouse ko talaga pag heavy drama kasi doon ako na-train and I guess yung mga tumatak na mga trabaho ko mostly for drama series or drama movies. And so, ang sarap din makatrabaho ng group na to. Kagaya nga na sinabi ni Ano kanina, it's really magaan. So I guess, yun yung kakaiba. Sa personal experience ko, kakaiba dito because we really all get along well. And wala talagang perfect set eh. Na minsan, di ba, iba-iba kayo ng personalities and then you come to set and then you deal with different circumstances or different elements on the set. Sometimes uulan or sometimes may magde-delay. And because you're different people, sometimes that creates conflict. But in this show, kahit na iba-iba kami ng personalidad, somehow we are able to adjust and adapt to each other. And I have Miss Michelle to thank for that. Kasi siya yung naging torchbearer, siya yung leader na aming set.